Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, attach the backup drive and verify power and connection. Run a quick checksum or list to prove the backup is readable. This prevents wasting hours. Next, choose the exact image or folder to restore and note the partition map. Drive letters and sizes matter. If credentials are needed, have them ready. Once done, unmount any unnecessary volumes to avoid collisions, and open your Restore tool with administrative rights so the core process can run uninterrupted. Begin the core restore by selecting the source image and the precise target disk. Make sure target size meets or exceeds source and set partition alignment to match the original. This preserves performance. Choose sector level restore for full system recovery or file level for selective files. Start the copy and watch the transfer rate and ETA. An immediate pause on errors gives room to fix issues. Keep system logs visible and record any I/O warnings, since these guide quick corrective actions if the process stalls. When the transfer completes, do not assume success. Verify bootability and file integrity before declaring victory. Recreate or repair the bootloader if the system won't start. Use startup repair tools or a recovery shell. Then perform spot checks and a final checksum comparison to ensure no silent corruption occurred. If files behave oddly, unmount the drive, run a clean mount, and rebuild indexes or repair permissions. This single fix resolves most post-restore anomalies. Finally,
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.